Hello everyone. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best waterproof GoPro selfie sticks that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs to see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these products that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Upgraded pole for GoPro. Last but not least, this sturdy and extremely durable waterproof selfie stick wrap up the list of the top 8 product on the market. If you're used to those cheap and flimsy selfie sticks, then here comes your solution. It's made using an anodized aluminum which gives it unmatched durability. It also comes with a CNC aluminum thumbscrew which makes its operation a breeze. The GoPro compatible mount makes it quite versatile. In fact, it can work with GoPro Hero 5 comfortably. The twist and lock system adds to its unique design, giving you a breathtaking experience. At number 4. 19 inches waterproof hand grip adjustable extension selfie stick. With a soft rubber grip and rust-proof aluminum construction, this selfie stick takes up the second-tier position. What makes this item worth the bucks? Well, first, this is an entirely waterproof masterpiece which can be used on any wear-related activities without showing any signs of rusting or any other defect. Secondly, it comes in a portable, compact, and convenient medium size which makes it ideal for various activities. In fact, it can fit into your backpack without much hassle. What's more, it offers an easy operation process. Perfect for family and friends reunions, travel, trips as well as hiking, snowboarding, skiing, surfing and kayaking, scuba diving, snorkeling etc. Be able to use in water. The ability to extend allows you to get close to fish and coral while remaining a safe distance, for both indoor and outdoor, or water sports activities. At number 3. Pole, Metal Edition 15-50 waterproof extension stick for GoPro. This Selfie World's waterproof selfie stick scoops the 3D tier position thanks to its unique design and excellent features. It boasts a compact and lightweight design which makes it extremely portable. The pole is ideal for all GoPro cameras as well as several other digital compacts and phones. This selfie stick introduces a genuinely universal design with the compatibility of up to 10 other devices. It offers a professional experience with a Bluetooth remote shutter, carabiners, and shoulder straps. At number 2. Selfie Stick Tripod, 35.5 carbon fiber lightweight selfie pole monopod. On the 4th position, we have this 100% waterproof aluminum selfie stick for GoPro. It's compatible with Hero Session 1, 2, 2, 4, and 5, which means that you won't be buying a new one every time you get a different GoPro model. Additionally, the selfie stick is super versatile, giving you direct mounting to cameras, phones, and tripods. It can be used with numerous other gadgets besides GoPro cameras. And yes, you can also use it with your phone, DSLR or camcorder. Its high-end material gives it a compact and lightweight nature which makes it quite portable and convenient for everyday use. Finally at number 1. Compact Edition 10-25 telescoping pole. Just like its earlier sibling, this is yet another impressive item from the renowned Sandmark pole company. It boasts a telescoping length of 10 to 25 inches and a weight of about 7 ounces. Of course, the extendable feature coupled with the lightweight construction makes it ideal for everyday use. This is a compact yet incredibly durable pole which offers adequate distance for you to capture excellent videos and images. And yes, it's ideal for various GoPro models including Hero, 4, 3, 2 and all HD cameras. The compact edition offers a 25 inches full extension combined with the portability you need at 10 inches when retracted. Ideal for travelers looking for convenience and versatility. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.